Oh yeah, give me more! More!
Awkward.
Wait, are you seeing what I'm seeing? So many strawberries! Come to stitch, my friend! That was epic!
You ate the whole thing? What's left?
Great question! That's right.
Hey!
What the?
My oh my! Hi again!
Hi there!
Ready to have some fun? Let's see. What do you think of this guy? Wait, hold on. You have to see it too.
Pretty cool, I guess. Let's do this!
Alrighty. Hey!
Color explosion coming in hot!
Look what you've done!
What? My bad.
Not cool!
Sorry.
Nothing I can do now. Or is there? Who needs a paintbrush when you've got paint palms?
Paint what?
Wow! Check it out!
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a pretty good idea. Finger paint, anyone?
What? Ew!
How about a little man? Don't want him to be lonely.
Cool spider! I think we're on the same page here. Spider hand? I mean, man, to the rescue!
Yep, all done.
Cool! I'm finished too.
Intriguing. Is that a hand? Meow! We have a winner!
Really? Me?
Well done.
Next up, I've got something good coming.
So cute. Hey, a butterfly. Achoo! Excuse me.
Somebody could use a tissue. Poor butterfly.
A butterfly, huh? Let me think. So many options. I know!
What are you doing? Oh, I guess I can just use my flowers. But I need something to stick them to. Why not bring leaves into the mix? So beautiful! And for this side, I'm thinking sparkle, baby! Wow! Isn't that pretty? This is so cool! Wow! Just one more thing. Right down the middle. Shake off the excess. And boom!
I'm almost done here. See? It's perfect!
Like? I love! So real! Nice! But this? This is true art! I feel it in my soul!
Oh, but my butterfly! At least I tried. Good job, friend!
Agreed! Looks like we're getting somewhere. Let's see what's up next. Who's this lady?
I'm gonna get you!
Hey! Shh!
Sorry.
She's making some sort of salad. Wow, look at that! I bet it's tasty. Well, that's it. Time to shake things up. Ta-da! You'd better hop to it.
Hop to what exactly?
Get it?
Not quite. But I will. Let's see. Well, blue it is. Just like waves of the ocean. My favorite flower. And my favorite color, of course. Look, they're all the way around. Stitch, look at this.
Nope. Give me that. I want to take this thing for a spin. A very colorful spin, that is. Buckle up, folks. This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Well, what do we got? Pretty cool if you ask me.
And you?
Me? I made this. See?
It's fine. And yours? Wow, that's incredible!
Does that mean I won? Wait, you lost? I'm sorry, friend.
One more challenge down. Let's see. Ooh, this looks pretty good. Look at him go!
Oh! What am I supposed to do with this? I guess I can figure something out. Bees are yellow, right? So much work!
Yep. 4 flaps. And they make up a hole. But how? Yes, I got it! Now I know what I'm doing. Just you wait and see. There he is, my little bee friend. Yikes.
Is it that bad?
Well,
I don't know. It's not it. What a mess. But your stitch? It actually looks like a bee! You got the assignment!
Aw, man.
hey, bee, believe in yourself.
You crack me up, Stitch.
So nice. We're getting closer, folks. What a treat for sore eyes. A real beauty. Don't you think? Just look! Have you ever seen anything so beautiful?
Yep, very pretty. Consider me inspired. Perfect! Sharp pencils are the only way. They help my vision come to life. See? It's a real beauty. But yours? Wow! I can't believe you drew that! You're so talented! I can't believe it!
Oh no! Eyelids are so hard to get right. Wait, let me try this. No!
Too bad. Just gimme.
Okay.
Ha! I'll show you a nifty little trick. Are you paying close attention? Ta-da! Now to make them perfectly even. There, see? Work like a charm. What do you think?
Wow, it's incredible! Thank you!
I guess that's pretty nice. Well, it's just okay.
Okay, I'll take it.
What's that? It's incredible!
She helped me!
Teamwork makes the dream work. And we're nearly finished. Who's this handsome lad? Fresh breath, too. Way to go, bro. Whoa. He even has flowers. I can do that, you know. Hey, what's so funny?
Don't worry about it!
I'm the perfect gentleman.
And I am officially inspired. Paint time!
It's so good. Want?
It's not breakfast time.
I know.
I'll help you.
Thanks. And now, we press. And to make it even better, I'll turn them into something pretty. Everyone loves roses, right? Wrapped in a pink bow, of course. Check out this bouquet! Almost as pretty as me.
Wow! I'd better catch up here. Oh no! I have flowers too, see? All done!
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah?
That's enough! That's the one! Oh yes!
Yeah, it is! I'm so happy! You've gotta try this!
How?
One more down, people. Well done.
Huh? Now what?
The suspense is killing me. Behind you! Watch out! Hey! Who shut off the lights? Oh!
This looks pretty scary. What are we supposed to draw?
Huh?
This.
I can do that! Just watch and learn. Here's some paper manipulation at its finest. Now for a little paint. A little goes a long way in this case. Plus, Flowers make everything better. Intense, right?
Very nice. Stitch, let me see this. Ugh, this is awfully scary. Don't hurt her. Whew. Let's move on, shall we? Look how close we're getting. Aw, look at this nice family. A family. Ohana. So special.
Special? I'll show you special. Ohana, right? I don't know. Should I? Okay, I'll give it a try. All I'm seeing are squares. But maybe I can make something with them.
Something? I guess I can make something too. This is what I call family. It's my very best friend in the whole world. See? All done. It's you, Stitch.
And this is my bestie.
What? So fuzzy and pixelated.
What? You just need a bit of an adjustment.
That's the spot.
Happy to help.
Wait, I did terrible.
It's okay, Stitch.
Look at you two. Looks like we've reached our goal. You guys crushed this. We've got a full Stitch. Isn't it great? All done.
What's going on?
Wow, we're back.
Good, I'm hungry. But this time, I'm using cutlery.
I'm proud of you, Stitch.